Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a product review on the A-Zone 360 solar security light. This has 28 LED lights in it. It's solar. It has motion detection where it turns on and off. Let me get it out of the box and let's take a look at it, guys. Now this was sent to me by the good people from A-Zone to check out. You get the mounting bracket that comes with it, and that mounts on your wall. You also get the solar light. You can see the LED lights all the way around the side. And it's the motion detector, and it detects between day and nighttime. And then you get a direction manual, and you get the mounting hardware with that. Now this isn't charged, guys. I'll try to turn it on so you can see it, but it isn't charged. It's been in the box. There you see it a little bit. That's pretty bright. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to mount it on the back porch. And tomorrow morning when it's dark out, I'll bring you guys out to check it out. And we'll see the features. See how it lights up outside when it's dark. And down in the description box, I'll put a link to Amazon where you can buy this and a discount savings code. So I'm going to go mount this on the porch. And then tomorrow morning when it's dark, I'll bring you guys out and we'll check it out. Okay guys, it's the next morning. I'm about ready to head off to work. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning. I just want to show you guys the light's all charged up, and it puts out a good fair amount of light. It has my whole back porch lit up. The back steps are lit. Let me just go down and show you. So that really works nice, guys, and for the price it's cost effective, and it's a good piece of security equipment. So there you have it, the A-Zone Solar 360 security light. Click the link below, check it out, and thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.